Hey, my name is OVP Bells. I'm a 60,000 kill Pathfinder. I'm here for Christmas break. Just hit Masters after 3 days. I'm on an amateur gaming team called OVP. Hopefully you like this clip, and I'll see you in the future.
I was caught in the middle of a railroad track. I looked round and I knew there was no turning back. My mind raced.
No fucking way!
Thought, what could I do? And I knew there was no help from you. Sound of the drums beating in my heart. The thunder began.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed that clip. I'll be posting more in the future. Hopefully that was just a good start. I know it's not the best clip, but it is something. And I'll see you guys in the next one.